What's up, everybody? Remember before I got my haircut and I looked like your local lesbian auntie? Well, I found a bunch of cool videos from that time and I really want to share these with you because a lot has gone on this year and I figure this is probably the best way to get you up to speed. We're gonna make some poke by a real chef right here in the Hawaii. His name is Chef Kale. He's been a friend of mine for quite some time here. He's been taking us all over the island to do some yummy fun stuff. But today he's gonna teach us how to make some poke.
Everybody gets a cutting board and then everybody gets a bowl for mixing poke. Hey! And then we'll do a poke contest and whoever wins, I have, where'd my prize go? This is brand new. Hey. The Lokilani Rose, this is the flower of Maui. So whoever wins the poke contest wins this cooler right here. I just got it in today.
This is his brand, dude. That's his. David. Wow. Choose your weapon.
A Deva knife. We have a light sushi. Santoku.
Dave, Cedric got the samurai one. You got the smallest one here.
It's not the size. I got the biggest. Size comparison.
So this one is from my friend Tyler. He actually runs a fish company called La'akea Fish. You can actually go for the shop and get that. Yeah. So this guy, he sells this to the public, and it's like you're getting wholesale fish prices from like a retail shop.
Is he catching these himself? Or?
He does a combination of both. Yeah. I'm sorry. Alright, let's go.
I got the blood, this part. Yeah.
Was it pretty big?
The parasite? I mean, it was, yeah. It was
That's
like the hog.
good job. That's clean. This is the way it is with just salt.
Oh man.
That is so dang soft. Wow. Fresh, never frozen. Nothing can compare.
I like that. Yeah, we should. Oh, look at Joe. Joe's looking saucy. Oh yeah.
I got a volcano. Look
And
at
he's got
mine.
the green onion on top of the
Yo.
garnish. I like it.
Hannah loves the soy sauce. And AKA show you. And look at her chopstick skills. When she first came down, she had no muscles in her fingers for the chopsticks. But now she is a pro. Oh my God, look at, she picked that little ring up by, she's like a surgeon with the chopsticks. So good.
I feel like I didn't trace the basic life skills.
Oh yeah. That's horrible. Yeah, that's good. That's so good.
Thank you, thank you.
That's very good. Kind of hot dog? Hey, this fish is really good.
Yeah, the fish is like freaking.
No, good.
Yeah?
That's good.
Yeah? I did a good job. So Chef Kale says we're supposed to cut these pieces off,
This fish, you can
and we're not supposed to eat it, but I'm gonna eat it. They're just really chewy and fishy. That's all it is.
And we need to cook it.
Yeah.
Yeah. But you're a hammer. That's free. That's intense.
Really? I don't know. It just tastes like aku.
Yeah, it tastes like a really totally too much.
It's really strong, very strong. And then I'm eating it with no flavor, so we're supposed to be scraping these. Look at this. Everybody here is in the food industry. Everybody here is skilled.
Like this?
Yeah, I think so. Just scrape it out. We're making like spicy tuna rolls or something. I don't know. Look at Look at Ridge over there. He's like straight up.
Scrape it off the key.
His Japanese side just activated.
Okay, yeah. You want to use it all.
That's Hannah's. Wow. Spicy tuna right now.
That was a big mouth. Good?
Yeah, that's good.
This.
I don't even gotta do shit.
Sandy made a happy face.
It's an old lady here.
Looks like a scrub daddy, dude.
Voila! We are all chefs because we work in the food industry.
Okay, final look. Joe, Hannah, vote in the comments. Whose one is cuter?
Minimalism, modern,
Maximalist.
messy, ruined.
Volcano. Last round we're gonna do a poke competition and see who's got the most delicious poke. That's Hannah's creation, but she liked it so much, she started eating it.
I know, you gotta dip it in the sauce.
Yeah.
That's the trick.
That's my creation. There goes news.
Yeah.
Who's gonna win? I don't know. Wow, look at this.
So this is a sous vide pork belly with a guava glaze, and this is sriracha frosted flake wings.
Sriracha frosted
Dessert.
flake wings. You like it? Wow! Okay.
Bro, you guys are fucking champions, bro.
We have the chef testing the competition right now. Tasting mine.
Bro, you guys are killing it. I'm not even lying, bro. You're killing it. What's the mix? This is the first one that's kind of different.
Right? Okay.
I like this. It's good.
Sesame oil,
Yeah.
shoyu,
Yeah.
lots of shoyu, a little bit of chili crunch, onion. So I try to make a spicy shoyu.
Yeah. No, that you hit it.
Alright.
That's a new recipe right there.
Thank you.
Spicy shoyu, I like that.
And a little bit of the unagi sauce for the sweet balance.
This is good. This is good. Okay, let me see here.
You've been coming here every week trying to win a competition.
What did you put? I think sesame oil, which I love. Is that what that is?
That's a lot of
A lot of
I'm nervous.
No, so I normally make my poker smaller. You make your poker bigger. Yeah. Matches this style of poker.
So good.
Which one? David wins? Woo!
They're all super good.
Speech, David. He won the competition.
Maybe let's go.
I gotta try David's now.
You just try. You guys should all try each other.
Look it. He wins the bag. Mullet. Wow, that's a fresh piece of fish. Amazing. Isn't that amazing?
I love this style like Chinese fish.
Yep.
Got hot oil, soy sauce on the bottom, and it sizzles it. And then you have the fresh herbs on top. It's like one of the more easier preparations for fish, but when you have fresh fish, this is so good, man.
Destroyed.